Okay, so I'm back, and I now know the proof. So here's the proof. So the here we do is we okay. So now we suppose D is Nef. We're going to do induction on dimension again. So D is Nef. So then D restricted to E1 and D restricted to E2 are also Nef. They're numerically effective. So induction, now we're going to do induction. Okay, so, and the induction works due to our formula. Where's our formula? So the induction works for I bigger than or equal to 2. Okay, so we can reduce to this thing. So the base case being 2. So let's do this. So x of md. So this is equal to, well, this is h0 of md minus h1 of md plus h2 of md minus h3 of md. I'm not going to keep going. Plus, and then plus negative 1 to the n is the dimension of x, of hn of md, like so. Up to here, we get to imply our inductive hypothesis. So, and also, this thing here is a polynomial, and the top coefficient is the intersection number. So this thing looks like, so here, we know that this looks, so this tells us that, so let's write this out. So h0 of, okay, this part here is order of, by our thing, m to the n. Minus 1, since we're Nef. Okay? That's what we have. And then, so, let's see my... Yes. Okay? So, then h0 of md minus h1 of md. So this is this is less than or equal to the Euler characteristic plus here, and then by definition, this thing here, we get the top term, so this is the intersection number, and then m to the n here. So this is equal to this, and then plus O of mn minus 1. Okay, so the basic idea was to, okay, so this is what we have here. And then, so the rest of the part is to fiddle, so the rest of the work is fiddling with h1 of md to get it to be equal to O of mn minus 1. So there's kind of like, okay, so the basic idea, let me just say this. The first part is to, okay, so if h0 of md is equal to 0, and then you have this other case is h0 of md is not equal to 0. Okay, and then this thing will show you directly that d to the n must be 0. And then this tells you that that h1. So then by the formula, so the formula that we have here already. So this is 0, and then this tells you that this is order of m to the n minus 1. This tells us that h1 of md is order of m to the n minus 1. Okay, then the next part is this thing here goes through another splicing argument. Okay, and I'm not going to do this, so this is omitted. if you really want to see it, ask me, and then we can do it again. The idea is the same. Thanks for watching. I do have notes. Well, yeah. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.